The steering stabilizer got bent and ran over a cactus. It's real stiff, and wherever I set the steering wheel, it stays there. I'm taking this nut off, 12 millimeter, and then that's like a shock absorber end. Got a cotter pin, and I'll take that off next. Here's a new one. Steering stabilizer, brand new. I checked on Rock Auto, eBay, and the cheapest one was on Amazon. I think it's a Gabriel, so it should be a good one. This would not come out of there. I guess it's a press fit. I ground the end off. There's no way to get a wrench on it. I'm getting ready to put the new one on. 93 Toyota steering stabilizer. It got bent when I swung around, ran over a cactus. Grinder, tools. It ended up being a press fit. Got the new bolt in. This is actually a press fit, but I didn't know it. I didn't want to mess up the threads, but it's installed. All brand new. Test it later. It's completed.